Hey designers! In this tutorial, we are going to create this motion graphics animation in After Effects very easily. Start by creating a new composition. After that, take the Circle tool. I am using the color black, and for the stroke, I am using white. Now let's go ahead and create a circle here. Now, if I try to create another circle, like this, what will happen is that the next circle will be made inside this same shape layer. You can see this in the Layers panel now. There is Ellipse 1 and Ellipse 2 inside one shape layer. But we do not want this. We want each circle on a separate shape layer. So to do that, first press Ctrl plus Z to undo this. Then press V on your keyboard. This is the shortcut for the selection tool. Then click anywhere on the composition to deselect. Now press Q. This is the shortcut for the circle shape tool and draw a new shape here. Now again, press V, click anywhere on the composition, press Q again, and draw another circle. You just have to keep doing this. Draw one shape, press V, click outside, then press Q and draw the next shape. Keep on doing this until you make as many circles as you want. You can also draw a few circles above the edge of the composition, no problem at all. Now, as you can see, the Layers panel is very messy. So what we are going to do is select the first layer. Then, while holding the Control key, click on the last layer. Now press U on your keyboard. This will hide all the unnecessary properties so that the Layers panel is cleaner. Select all the layers. While holding down the Control key, double-click on the Anchor Point tool. This will move the anchor points to the center of each circle. Now let's apply an effect. First, we will apply the effect on just one circle so that we can see how it looks. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Wiggle. Apply wiggle position on this shape layer. Now adjust the wiggle amount, try adjusting it, and preview the animation. Let's lower the amount a bit and preview it again. Okay, now it is looking perfect. Now select both the wiggle position and transform properties. Press Ctrl plus C to copy them. Then select all the other layers and press Ctrl plus V to paste the same effect onto all of them. Now preview the animation. You can see that all of these circles are moving now. Next, let's create the main circle. For that, take the Circle tool again and draw a new circle. Right now, I am going to draw it in the middle of the composition so that we can see it clearly and adjust the color. We will move it downward later. Then go to the Fill option and select Gradient Fill. Choose Radial Gradient and press. OK, now go to the gradient colors and adjust them. Just give it any color you like. Once you are happy with the colors, remove the stroke. We do not need a stroke on this circle. Now let's move this circle downward. After moving the circle down, make sure the layer is selected. Then click on this option called Tool Creates Mask. Now, using this option, we are going to draw some lines from this main circle, going out to touch the other circles. Now, when you get to areas where the circles are not visible, just draw the lines randomly. You do not need to worry too much about whether the line is exactly touching the other circle or if the circle is on top or below. It does not matter right now because we can change it later on. Now, with this layer still selected, go to the search bar and type Mask Path. Select Mask Path and press Ctrl plus C to copy the path. Then press P on the keyboard to open Position. Make sure that the bar indicator is on the first frame of the timeline. Then click on Position and press Ctrl plus V to paste the path that we copied. Now select the last keyframe. While holding the Alt key, Drag this keyframe to around the 5-second or 6-second mark. This will slow down the animation a little bit. Also, you can use the arrow keys to move the position downward if needed. Now go to the second keyframe and adjust the position of the ball there. Before doing this, let's first delete the mask path, because we do not need it anymore. We only wanted the position path. So take the selection tool, click on the mask path, and delete it. Now adjust the position of the ball at the second keyframe. Then move to the third keyframe and adjust the position there as well. After that, move to the fourth keyframe and adjust it too. You just need to keep on adjusting the position at each keyframe so that it looks like the ball is touching the circles, so that it is not going on top of them or going somewhere else. Also, remember that before adjusting the position at each keyframe, you have to select that keyframe first. If you do not select the keyframe, After Effects will create a new keyframe beside it, and we do not want that. So just keep adjusting the keyframes one by one until the very last keyframe. Now go to Layer, New, and create a new null object. After creating the null object, select all your layers and parent them to null. Just click and drag the pick whip from each layer onto null 1. Now select null 1. Press P to open position. Adjust the position so that the main ball is nicely visible in the frame. Click on the stopwatch next to position to start animating it. Move the timeline indicator a few frames forward, and now move the null so that wherever the main ball moves, it stays on the screen. Now let's preview the animation. If you think that the ball is moving a bit fast and the null's position animation looks a little bit slow, you can move the last keyframe of the null earlier, maybe to the 5-second or 4-second mark, so that the speed looks better. Now select this orange ball, go to Effects and Presets, and search for Glow. Apply glow on this orange ball. Then adjust the glow radius, adjust the glow intensity, and also adjust the glow threshold. Just adjust them the way you like. Next, go back to Effects and Presets, search for Noise, and apply noise on this orange ball as well. After that, select the glow effect. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate it, and adjust the settings of the duplicated glow to enhance the look. Now move the timeline indicator to the 5-second frame. This is where the animation ends. Press N on the keyboard. This will trim the composition to end at this point. Now let's preview the full animation. I hope this video was helpful and that you learned something new. If you did, please like this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.